If you are using Microsoft Forms and would like to save a copy of the responses from the people who have filled out your form, I'm going to show you a quick method to do this. So right now you can see I'm logged into Microsoft Forms, and I'm going to go down to the form where I have responses that I want to save. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this form. And then over here in the upper right hand corner, you can see it says view responses, and it'll indicate how many people have responded. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And then I want to be able to access the individual results as opposed to seeing all the results in a spreadsheet. I'm going to click on check individual results. So when I do this, I will be able to filter through using this arrow all the different responses. But let's say, for instance, I have a need to save the response. Maybe this is from a student or whatever. You need to have this saved. So what you're going to do is from this screen, you're going to click on these three dots over here in the right-hand corner, and you're going to click Print Response. But we're not actually going to print this to a printer. What we're going to do is we're going to print this, or save this rather, as a PDF. So you're going to change it. The default might be on your connected printer. You're going to change that option to click Save as PDF, and then you're going to go ahead and click Save. So now you have the file picker here, and you're going to choose where you want to save this, and you're going to name this. So let's say this is responder 1. You can put it with the whoever the person is, however you want to name it, and then we're going to choose a location. So I'm just going to put this on my desktop temporarily, but you can put it in a folder wherever you would like to put it, and then I'm going to hit save. So the first response is saved. You will continue to do that for any other responses that you want to save. Again, you just click on these three dots, you click Print Response. If you're doing this each one right after the other, the default will change over to Save as PDF, but you can always check it. Click here, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to click Save. And again, you will name it, make sure you choose the location where you want it to appear, and click Save. And that's all there is to it.